update na guys at this moment. Ayan, fresh tayo dito guys. Diba? Ang lakad ko today guys. Going out lang naman tayo guys dyan sa labas. So far, hindi naman siya talaga masyado malayo guys. So, maglakad na lang ang person guys. Diba? Hindi naman talaga masyadong mainit guys. Kasi around 4 PM na guys. Hapon na siya guys. So yun ang update ko. It's walking time. So at the same time, exercise na din ang person guys. O diba? Kayo dyan. Mag-exercise din kayo dyan guys. Huwag kayo palaging mag-upo-upo guys. Lalo na ang mga edad natin guys ay nasa mga 40s, 30s ba, no? Especially 40s to 50s pa up. So, kailangan na natin mga exercise na guys. So, hindi na natin paano yung katamaran natin guys. Huwag ka palaging mag-upo-upo lang dyan. You need to walk, to exercise. Oh, diba? Exercise is the best. Oh. So, yun ang update natin guys. At this moment, walking on person. Hello everyone. Hello te. Hello guys. Hi guys. Ayan. Marami na tayong mga makasalubong dito guys. Oh. Di ba mainit pero okay lang. Carry lang guys. Oh, hello. Carry lang ang init guys kasi hindi naman talaga masyadong masakit na guys ang init kasi hapon na. So the update is walking time. So I hope everyone have a nice day and a good day, no? So always smile. Keep on smile even guys, kahit may mga pinag-stressan man tayo dyan or dyan, smile pa rin tayo guys. Oh, smile is the best way din guys to less our stress. Charis. O yan, para hindi din tayo maging guys, maging older kaagad. Oh, that's guys, the best din guys. Always keep on smiling. O, diba? Yun lang ang update natin, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. See you next again, guys. Bye! Have a blessed day. Bye, everyone. Keep safe.